So guys, let's use another method to understand our trouser cutting. So the measurement, we have the waist, in a waist of 30, that is if it is fitted, but majorly I'm working on free and elastic trouser, which will be equal to the hip measurement. So I'm using a hip of 40. So hip 40, thigh of 25, crotch of 25, and trouser length of 38. Pocket, if you desire one, 11. The first thing to do is to calculate your crotch. So for the crotch, we need the front and the back. For the crotch, we have a total of 25. So how do you get the front? For the front, so the crotch is equal to 25 divided by 2, which is 12.5. For the front, 12.5 minus 2, which is 10.5. And for the back, 12.5 plus 2, which is equal to 14.5. And this is what you need. So once you have all this, start your measurement. We have a waist of 40 because our trouser is a free that need an elastic band. So what will be the measurement of your waist here? It will be 40 divided by 4. This is the crotch. The highest is what? 14.5. Imagine this is 14.5. Now we have the thigh. The thigh is 25 divided by 2, which is 12.5. Here we have 10. To get this joint, measure 1 inch upward, 3 inch upward here, let's say 3 inches here, and 1 inch here, and you get to curve it. That is the simple. Just ensure that it is curved and not straight. What's our trouser measurement? Our trouser measurement is 38. Add your joining allowance, so that makes it like 40 inches. For my knee, or 40, I just want it to be equal, so 40 for my round knee divided by 4. Or you can measure your first leg after here, so you have 40, and this is it. So after this, you remember this is for the back. That's the measurement for the back, which is 14.5. So once you are done with this, measure a point where you have your 10.5. Let's say this is 10.5 and this is 14.5. So you measure it and you join it, so it will appear curvy. It's not going to be straight. This will be for the front and this will be for the back, and that is a very easy way to understand your trouser cutting. I hope you find this helpful.